kitchen, and in my effort to find other alternatives of smartwatches, I have an Apple Watch, but who wants to pay Apple Watch prices when you just have some kids or you don't want to spend the money? So I've tried a different Souyie watch, and now I'm going to try this one here. This is Souyie, S-O-U-Y-I-E. So this one here. So we're going to check this one out and see what it does. It says it's the Smartwatch Health Fitness Tracker, and this one is blue. So let's see how this one looks. Let's open this up and see. Exciting! So here we go. So this is the box, and ta-da! And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's got a blue band. And very cool looking there. And let's take off the little cover on it. And oh, I like the side. Like the other ones have, sometimes they have the little buttons on it, like the old watches. This one here's got the same kind of button like an Apple Watch has. And there, ooh, it's on right now. So there, that's what it looks like on, and you can slide it. Ooh, this one's really nice, and I like it how thin it is, and it's got the little buttons there on the sides. I'm gonna give this thing a try here. Oh, you can connect it up to your music here with the Bluetooth. It'll control that. Oh. You can do the weather if you connect it up to the app. Obviously, I'm gonna have to install the app, but I can't right now because I have the phone right there. But I can play the music, the app, the weather, the heart rate it has on here. It's got a watch face that looks like a clock, which is really nice looking. I don't think Apple Watch has one that looks quite that nice. An activity monitor, just like the Apple one has, activity bands. Your sleep time, which is very cool. And back to music and weather again. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see what other different things we can get done with it. And oh look, you can do activity, workout, heart rate, blood pressure, BP I guess. Is that blood pressure? I don't know, but it's checking there. That'll be interesting to figure out. Oh, it's got a light going on the bottom, so it's actually trying to do something. Are you sure you want to shut down? No, I want to go back. Temperature, pressure. Well, what's METT? I guess I'm gonna have to read all the instructions to figure out what all these different things mean. It says cumulative this week. Oh no. So this is it, but here's the Smartwatch Manual. So this one here's the manual for it, and it's written nice and small and big. So I'm gonna go and read through all this. I'm gonna try it out for a few days, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys an update on how well it works. I'm gonna actually put this one on, and I'm gonna keep my Apple Watch on, and I have two going simultaneously and compare them and see which one, see how it compares and see how good it works. So I'll be back and give you guys an update in a few days with how it is. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, okay, so I'm back. So I'm gonna finish up my review here. I've been wearing these three watches for about a week now, and this is the Souyie one here. So this is this one right here. So if you look at it, it's upside down. Oops. I've kind of got the watch face set for this one here, so it tells me all this information. I have it set so the screen goes off quickly just so it doesn't run the battery. But yeah, I think you can set it so it stays on for like 15 seconds or something like that. But I have mine set for that. But it's, but, oops. I'm gonna take off my Apple Watch just because I keep knocking it with the button on that one there when I'm doing this. But okay, so this one here, so you can see it's got the different little the watch sitting there, and it's pretty cool. It says it does have the power level, and it's got different things on it. It tells me my steps for the day and the weather and everything. And as far as like information goes, it's about the same as my Apple Watch. I would say it's going to give me a lot of the same stuff. And I'm pushing the button on it to start it, but actually what it does is if I do the turning, it turns itself on too, which is nice. So it kind of has that same thing that the Apple Watch does too. So whenever you go to look at it, it's going to be on. So it's actually pretty nice. I'm not going to say it's anything near and doesn't have all the same features as my Apple Watch. Doesn't connect to the Peloton or any of the other stuff. So I'm still using this one here for most of my stuff, and I'll probably use my Apple Watch going forward just because of that. But I would say if you have like somebody who doesn't want to spend this kind of money, $600 or whatever it costs, and you want to spend a lot less, getting something like this is really super convenient. And it's been working. The battery life is great. I mean, I think I can go 2 or 3 days easily without charging it. And then when I want to charge it, I've got it. I'm just been charging with this little battery here, but it's super easy. Just take it off. Actually, the band is really comfortable too. The band is probably more comfortable than my Apple Watch band. And as far as the form factor, when you look at it next to it, it's pretty similar size, and even, you know, it's probably thinner even, which is nice. And the back looks like that. It's got the, you know, the little sensors on the back for the heart rate and stuff like that. But to charge it, basically just clicks on there, and now it's charging. I'm almost all the way charged because I haven't, it's early in the day. I haven't been wearing it too long. But, and you can see when it's charging, you've got the time on it and date, just like you do on the Apple Watch. So it's really got a lot of the same stuff. So if you don't want to spend the money on an Apple Watch and you want something connected and it has the notifications and stuff like that, it'll connect up to, you know, it'll give you all the same notifications you get on your watch. So your Facebook notifications and things like that will pop up. And I haven't been able to figure out how to make it talk on the phone. I don't think it does as the phone talk, but I've never used my watch to really talk on the phone. I always use my phone. So that's it. And it connects up to the phone really easy. Oh, I can't show you because that's what I'm filming with. But there's an app for it. On there, when you go in there, there's a place where it says, I think this one was the one where it had the app, but you can see it has all these different things that it does on there, the timer and stuff like that. It's got the little QR code right there for the app. And I'll put the link in the description below. So if you need the app and you got the phone or you got the watch and you don't have this, you'll be able to do it. But I think it's in there somewhere. Oh, I think I got the stopwatch going, but I really like it. So I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up from me. If you got a kid or somebody you don't wanna give a nice, fancy, super expensive watch to, this is ideal. I mean, this has all the same kind of features. Basically does almost the same stuff. So I like it. It's just not going to be the same exact intuitiveness and ease of use and seamless connectivity, but it'll probably connect to an Android device just like this one can't. So it's got that, but nice band, this nice silicone, feels good. Not as easily changeable bands, I wouldn't think, but who cares? I don't ever change that anyway. So I'm gonna say thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to pick one of these up. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. And I'm gonna review this other watch here. I'm gonna just go through and explain that one too. So look at both these videos. Bye.